Residential Robotic Vacuum Cleaner Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global residential robotic vacuum cleaner market size will be $7,124.6 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 8.8% from 2024 to 2031. North America residential robotic vacuum cleaner market size of $2,849.84 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe residential robotic vacuum cleaner market size of $2,137.38 million. Asia Pacific residential robotic vacuum cleaner market size of $1,638.66 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America residential robotic vacuum cleaner market size of $356.23 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.2% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa residential robotic vacuum cleaner market size of $142.29 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.5% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.